Hello and welcome to the Mangley Town Catalogue collection, and today we have for you the Dapol 12th edition, which was like a half year one for 2007. So we'll have a look through. Obviously one of their big launches was the Class 221 Supervoyager. That's one thing I need to start finding in N gauge, is the Freightliner spine, sorry, in 00 gauge is the Freightliner spine wagons. Filming this just after Wally 2023 and did get a load of Dapol containers nice and cheap off the Dapol stand, so I've got those to add to my Freightliner range and also Eddie Stobart range. So I might even have to have a look at a couple of the GBRF spine wagons as well, because they'll match in with the blue for me Eddie Stobart. And then on to the kits. Come on, play the one. And there we go. As always, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the channel again soon. Bye.